Hey guys, it's me Khadija, and if you've noticed the camera quality change, that's because I got a new camera. I finally manned up and got the Canon T3i. Round of applause, please. A round of applause. Hey there, it's Khadija. It's so very nice to meet ya. Please subscribe to my channel because I've got lots of things to show ya. Okay guys, so today's video is going to be something totally different. Like I've never ever done anything like this. And basically today's video is going to be a food review, right? Because my friend, he took me to this Filipino restaurant called Zenys. If you're in California at all, in Northern California, I'm going to link it below. Or even if you're not in Northern California, and you plan on coming to California, you might be in the area and you want to check it out, please check it out. It's called Zenys and it's a Filipino restaurant. So cause fast, slow down. Could you just slow down? It's nothing serious. Yeah. So their Filipino restaurant food was amazing, absolutely amazing. He kept asking. My friend kept asking me like, "Oh, how do you feel about the food?" And I was like, "Are you kidding me? Like, just let me eat." But yeah. So what I want to talk to you guys about today is this food called pan de ube, and it has this it's like a bread kind of thing, but it has this filling that with purple yam, milk, butter, sugar, vanilla, and water. So I'm gonna show you guys the packaging. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try, and let's go. Let's open it. It starts like Christmas, y'all. I saved it. I was like literally gonna eat it, and I was like, no, I'm gonna save this so that my homeboys on YouTube can see me try this for the first time. Okay, so it has like a Hawaiian roll kind of outside if you look at it. And then the filling is like a purple, like it's literally purple. Literally purple, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Dun, 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 dun. Tastes really weird. Looks like I'm gonna need like gallons of water to flush it down. The middle kind of reminds me of like this food. We have this food in Guyana called bread. And it's like bread on the outside, just like this is, but on the inside it's coconut. But the coconut's like mixed with like this red filling kind of stuff, and it's like the same idea. It kind of tastes like this coconut in here. It's a really different taste. It doesn't taste bad though. Just gonna need like gallons of water to flush that down. But yeah, that was me trying pan de ube, and yeah, pretty cool, fun video. Yeah, if you guys like these little food review videos, please like comment below. Let me know like if you have specific stuff you want me to try out and stuff like that. Comment below. I kind of like food stuff because I like food, but yeah, like, comment, subscribe, holla at your girl. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Subscribe. Like, you can't be just watching my videos and not subscribing. That means you're fake. You don't want to be fake, okay? Because if you're on the winning team, I only mess with real people. So all my subscribers are real. Not only like literally real, but like gangster real. Holla at your girl.